Intermittent fasting, the good, the bad, and the hungry. Hey there, welcome back. So, you've heard of intermittent fasting, right? Everyone seems to be raving about it. But is it really the magic bullet for health and weight loss? Today, we're breaking down the good, the bad, and the downright hungry sides of intermittent fasting. So, let's find out if it's worth the hype. Let's dive in. First things first, what is intermittent fasting? It's not a diet, it's more like a schedule for eating. The idea is to cycle between periods of eating and fasting. The most popular method is the 16 to 8 plan fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. But wait, there's also the 5 to 2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and cut way down on calories for the other 2 days. And then there's the Eat Stop Eat plan, which involves fasting for a full 24 hours, once or twice a week. Sounds like a lot of options, right? Let's talk about why so many people love intermittent fasting. First up, weight loss. By limiting your eating to a specific window, you naturally eat less. Plus, when you're fasting, your body starts to burn stored fat for energy. It's like flipping a switch to fat-burning mode. But that's not all. There's something called autophagy, a fancy word for when your body starts cleaning out old, damaged cells and recycling them. Imagine your body having its own little cleanup crew, going around and sprucing things up. This can help protect against diseases and keep you feeling younger and healthier. Next benefit, better blood sugar control. Intermittent fasting can help your body become more sensitive to insulin, which is great for managing blood sugar levels. This is especially helpful for people at risk of type 2 diabetes. It's like giving your pancreas a well-deserved vacation. Okay, now let's talk about the not-so-fun stuff. Intermittent fasting can be tough to stick with. When you first start, you might feel super hungry, cranky, or even a bit tired. It's like your body is saying, "Hey, where's my usual snack?" And if you're not careful about what you eat during your eating window, you could miss out on important nutrients like vitamins and minerals. This can make you feel tired, weak, and a little run down. And let's not forget how it could affect your social life. If you love going out to eat with friends, but your fasting schedule doesn't match, it can feel a bit isolating. You might end up watching everyone else eat while you sip on water. Not fun. Plus, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. If you're an athlete or someone who exercises a lot, you might not be getting enough fuel, which could hurt your performance and recovery. You might feel weaker or have less endurance. So, should you try intermittent fasting? It can be a great tool for weight loss, improving your health, and simplifying your eating routine. But remember, it's not for everyone. If you're pregnant, have a medical condition, or just really love your midnight snacks, it might not be the best choice. Here are some tips to make intermittent fasting work for you. Start slow, don't go straight to long fasting hours. Stay hydrated, drink lots of water, herbal tea, or black coffee to help curb hunger. Eat a balanced diet, focus on whole foods, and avoid too many processed snacks, even during eating times. And most importantly, listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, overly tired, or just off, it might be time to stop or adjust your plan. Intermittent fasting can be a great tool for many people, but remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person might not work for another. Have you tried intermittent fasting? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring what works best for you.